Thank you for watching my review on of case law on industrial relations Go Chin Heng versus Nexigold Jewelries. Thank you. The case involved the dismissal of Go Chin Heng by Nexigold Jewelries Neighborhood on 31st March 2021. The claimant case focuses on the company failures to comply with his working hours and taking a Sunday as a rest day. The claimant also argues that the company did not issue any cause of warning letter to the claimants for allegedly failing to comply with his working hours. The claimant also argues that the company's an illegal reduction of his basic monthly salaries, which had been his basic salary since the commencement that his work till March 2020, amount to a breach of his employment contract as an act of deceiving the prevalence of statutory bodies. The facts of the case. The claimant alleges lack of specific detail regarding his sick or annual leave and misconduct. Claimants allege no charge sheet shows cause letters or domestic inquiry against him on alleged misconduct. The claimant also alleged that the company terminated his services due to the belief that he committed gross misconduct and retrenchments as the reason for termination. The claimant claimed that no offer was made to transfer the claimant to any other branches prior to terminations. The claimant employment was terminated without a written employment contract. Claimant job scope, salary, and working hours were made clear to him. Claimant also refuses to sign any letter of offer or employment contract was due to his illiteracy. The, the claimant's salary reduction from 4,800 ringgit to 2,100 ringgit for April 2020 was due to the branch due to the implementation of the Movements Control Order (MCO). The company notified the claimant that the business at the branch had been affected due to the pandemic, requiring a revised salary. Here's come the issues of the case. First is the industrial court case summary, and then the second is the role and the function of the industrial court and the company evidence. Here I will share with you these three main issues of the case. The industrial court case summary. The company terminated the employment of the goldsmith who has been offered a job at a Lotus Manjalara, citing retrenchments. The company argued that not the goldsmith had not been employed at the Keddie branch. Instead, a goldsmith from another branch was assigned to assist the Keddie branch. The company argued that the company had adhered to the code of conduct as the goldsmith was offered employment at Lotus Manjalara and additional allowance with accommodation. The first one is the industrial court role is to determine whether the terminations or dismissals was with or without just cause or excuse. Second, roles of the functions of the industrial court is the court must determine whether the misconduct complaints of by the employer has been established and whether the proven misconduct constitutes just cause or excuse for the dismiss. And the third role and functions of the industrial court is the burdens of proof that the employee has committed the misconduct and that the dismissal was with just cause or excuse rests squarely on the employer. Here comes the company evidence due to the claimants uh, due to the claimants for the industrial and his claim for the company evidence. Both COW1 and COW2 testified that no written employment contract or letter of appointment existed between the company and the claimant. Second, the company reduced the claimant's salary for April 2020 due to the temporary closure of the branch due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Third, the company revised the claimant's salary from May 2020 and the claimants of other employees earning more than 4,000 ringgit in the branch. Fourth, the company continued to employ the claimant as a goldsmith at the branch despite the claimant's refusal to sign the employment contract and letter of appointment. Fifth, the company retained the service of a freelance goldsmith to assist with the craftsmanship tasks at the branch on and on an and when needed basis. Here comes to the company restructuring and retrenchments. These cases involve these two claimant and the Nexigold company. The company restructuring and retrenchments. The company first branch closure was the Tesco Mutiara Damansara branch on 24 July 2019, not due to the pandemic but based on the business decisions. The closure of the two branches by 18 February 2021 indicates the company attempt to recognize its operational capacity and scale for business sustainability. The Court of Appeal in Harris Solid State M. Sdn Bhd versus Bruno Gentil Pereira on an ORS 1996 stated that an employee can organize for any legitimate reason such as promoting better economic viability, but must not to do so a collateral purpose such as victimizing workmen and participating in the union activities. The company stated in the notice of retrenchments that 18 February 2021 it had taken serious effort to reduce spending, including salary reductions and a closure of two outlets prior to the issuance of the notice of retrenchments to the claimant. The decision is undertake a retrenchment exercise need not solely based on the losses incurred, but a prerogative and reorganize itself prior to any potential financial loss. That's all for me.